Want to give your shower a brand new look without tearing out tile or replacing the valve? In this video, I'll show you how to update a shower handle using the Delta MultiChoice 17 series trim kit. This is one of the easiest DIY bathroom upgrades you can do, and it'll instantly take your shower from worn out to fresh and modern. Where I make plumbing repairs and bathroom upgrades simple and stress-free. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss future DIY tutorials. Tools and materials. Phillips screwdriver. Flathead screwdriver, optional. Allen wrench, 1/8 inch. Adjustable wrench / pliers. Utility knife for old caulk if needed. Towel or drop cloth to protect tub / shower. Delta MultiChoice 17 series trim kit, handle, escutcheon, trimmed out sleeve, temp control, etc. Plumber's grease. Silicone caulk for sealing escutcheon plate. Sealing cloth. Step 1. Remove old handle and trim. Let's start by removing the old handle and trim. First, pull or pry off the cover on the temperature control knob. Next, remove the retaining screw and slide the temperature control straight out. Take off the rotational limit stop. Then remove the main handle. Unscrew the escutcheon cover, pull it off, and slide off the old trim sleeve and O-ring. Step 2. Install new trim sleeve and escutcheon. Now, let's upgrade to the new Delta trim. Place the new O-ring just behind the cartridge nut. This O-ring acts as a spacer to hold the sleeve in place. Slide on the new trim sleeve. Put the new escutcheon plate over the sleeve. Line up the holes and install the screws. Tighten them snug, but don't over-tighten. Step 3. Handle and limit stop setup. Next, line up the grooves on the handle with the grooves on the cartridge. The handle should sit on the right. Install the new limit stop. It's marked with H for hot and C for cold. The little tab controls how far the handle can rotate. Start with the tab between H and C. This helps prevent anyone from turning the water too hot and getting scalded. Step 4. Temperature control knob. Now, put the temperature control over the limit stop, making sure the extended tab lines up just to the left of the main handle tab. Hold everything in place with the screw. Step 5. Testing and adjustment. Turn on the water using the main handle, then adjust the temperature control. If the water is too hot or too cold, just remove the screw and readjust the limit stop. Once you're happy, snap the cover back over the temperature control knob. And that's it. From an old, worn-out shower handle to a sleek new Delta 17 series trim kit, without replacing the valve or tearing out tile. This is a huge upgrade for just a little bit of effort. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, drop a comment with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY plumbing tips and bathroom upgrades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.